Where the scraper isn't successful, fingernails are the perfect way to go. Hello everybody and welcome to day 109 of my Jaguar S-Type restoration. With the two snapped exhaust manifold studs removed, I can now attempt restoring the cylinder head. Before I can start, I still need to remove the valve stem seals. I didn't have those special pliers on hand at the initial disassembly. To prevent scratching those wall areas which provide the sliding surface for the valve tappets, I will put duct tape here on the side. So here we go. Actually not a big deal. A little turn prior to the initial pull helps a lot. I also try not to touch the wall surface with the lower portion of those seals. Using my thumb as a guide is the way to go. So that's been number 16 and the last one on this head. Here's one rubber O-ring left, which was sealing the spark plug hole towards the valve cover. I'm now gonna turn this around to attempt the head gasket area. This plastic scraper should help me to remove the gasket residues without hurting the aluminum surface. Where the scraper isn't successful, fingernails are the perfect way to go. Or maybe turning the blade around as well, yeah. So 40 minutes, 5 replacement blades and 2 fingernails later, the head gasket residues are removed. You may ask if the cylinder head surface is within spec. Yeah, no doubt it is. Just kidding. I've ordered a straight edge 2 weeks ago already, but the delivery man didn't want to find my address, so it will take until next week to do a proper measurement. Let's continue with the exhaust manifold side. I'll try my scraper on those carbon deposits as well. And it seems to be simple dirt. Here's the dents I left behind when attempting to recover the snapped exhaust manifold bolt. In between I applied WD-40 but forgot to turn on the camera again. However, you didn't miss a lot. It didn't do nothing on the carbon deposits, but helped me a little bit with cleaning up the other surface areas. Maybe the WD-40 running down the exhaust ports can help to clean those out in a non-abrasive way. The intake side is almost perfectly clean, including the valve seats. A fingernail above 2 layers of paper towel does wonders here inside the combustion chambers. I always try to use a clean towel on the valve seats. I've now been removing all the already loose carbon, which wasn't a lot honestly, and now let's proceed with the outside cleanup on the intake side. I had to change position of the head because it was before resting on the camshaft bearings, which is no good. And of course those scratch marks here in the area where the intake manifold gasket has to go are bad as well. I caused those when I was removing the manifold from the engine bay. That's how far you can get within 4 hours on a Sunday. Next week I'm gonna check the cylinder head deck surface and also attempt cleaning up the ports. Get back on my channel. Goodbye.